Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Hey. I'm going to show you how to serve this drink two ways. And I'm going to tell you straight up that the recipe right here is for one drink only. Alright, so I'm going to have the ingredients kind of scrolling up on the side. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of vodka into our mixing glass right there. 2 tablespoons of vodka. Now we will do 2 tablespoons of blue curacao. 2 tablespoons of blue curacao. Beautiful. Yep, already. Except we're going to turn this baby purple. Watch this. Alright, so 2 tablespoons of cranberry juice. Alright, keep in mind, like I said, that this is for one drink. I'm going to tell you how to convert it and make more in the description box down below. If you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell for notifications so you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put up a new video. And if you're returning, thank you for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Alright, 2 tablespoons of orange juice. 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Alright. Which is going to give us that medicine blue color right there. That cough medicine color. But okay, now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of grenadine, which will turn this drink a beautiful purple. Watch this. 2 tablespoons of grenadine. Now, if you like a sweet drink, cool. This is for you. You don't have to do anything else. But at this point, I'm tasting my drink, and of course, being the mixologist that I am, well, I just decided I had to cut that down just a little bit. But just remember, you don't want to do anything else to this if you are going to fill a glass with ice, because that's going to water your drink down, and you don't want to do that. So you're going to fill a glass with ice, then no worries, don't worry about it. So see my finger tapping right there, because now I'm thinking, what can I do? So then I'm thinking, I'm like, okay, I'll get some lemon juice. Alright, so lemon juice will do it for me. So that's what I decided. I'm going to put 1 more tablespoon of vodka. Strengthen the drink a little bit. I need to get it a little stronger anyway. Alright, I'm going to put about a half tablespoon of lemon juice. And trust me, that knocked it out the ballpark. This is a winner, a home run, baby. And it is delicious. So if you're only making a drink for yourself, then you can make 1 or 2 and double the recipe here. But if you have to make for a crowd of people, then you got to convert those tablespoons somehow into cups. So I'm going to try to help with that. If I can, I'm going to try to help with it. That is perfect. See, I had to do a little jiggy right there, a little shimmy. Yes. Yes, honey, this is delicious. So you use whatever kind of vodka you want. Use whatever you want to use in here. So I've used what I had on the bar already. But check this out one more time. I'm going to show you one way to serve it. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.